Hey guys, check it out. This is my Spider-Man mask. And this is my awesome Master Lock 4-dial combination lock that I am going to show you how to change the combination to. Because right now, that's what it's set at. But, just to make it interesting, I'm going to show you how to do this. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Ring that bell, and let's try to get this mask on right. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to explain how to reset the combination on this lock. Then I'm going to set it to a random combination, and I'm going to show you how to decode it without looking. So what you do is you see how it locks like that and all. But you turn it like this, and you push down, you spin like this. Now you take the combo, and you put it to something good. Alright, and then you lift it up, you bring it back, and you lock it. Now, you can take and just turn one dial, like that. Ooh, it's locked. Then you turn it back, it's unlocked. But what happens if someone comes along like your awesome child and go whoop 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 whoop? Make sure you share, subscribe, and like. I can't see a dang thing out of this. So, this lock, you used to be able to take and stick like a pick in it or a shim up in here, wiggle it around, and be able to pop it open. Maybe you still can, maybe you can't. But they try to fix that. So you're going to want to pull up on a shackle, and it pushes down on this whole wheel so it doesn't really turn. So you can't just go like that and decode it that way. But you can decode it by feel. Because what they did is when they did that, they made it so each spot had a false gate, which use to your advantage. And yeah, you just spin them. Okay, so my advice, since I'm blindfolded, is going to be start with one wheel at a time. You pull, you wiggle. Nope, see, not enough pressure. Aha. Alright, I feel that. Nope, nope, nope. So that one there, I think is right. So I'm going to release pressure, and I'm going to move to the next one. And if you can actually see what you're doing, it makes it so much easier. Like to the point of 3 minutes and 60 seconds you can decode them. If you can see. With practice, of course. Now when it falls into the false gate, it's not going to wiggle much. When it falls into a true gate, it will. And you definitely want to make sure you're applying enough pressure and not turning the other knob. Some of you can hear it make a clicking sound when it falls in, but not with this lock. Man. Oh yeah, and you're going to want to stay tuned to the channel, because I'm going to do this on a live stream, but where I have like a glass of milk locked up, I'm thinking, and I'll be blindfolded. Only way to get to it is if I can crack the combination. Which should be interesting. Alright, that's wiggling, wiggling. I like it. Out to the fourth dial. And if you can see, you can just take and set them all 0 and then advance them one at a time. But I can't see. So that do me no good. I mean, I could count, but I'll probably lose track if I try to count. I think the longest this has ever took me is 22 minutes. But that's because I was blindfolded and I messed up the lock and I had to decode it before it would lock so I could reset the combo. Alright, that's good. I think that's where I want it. A lot of play in that one. A lot of play. A little bit. A little bit. So I'll go back to this one. Nope. Nope. I'm trying not to reset any dials as I go. But my fingers are a little pudgy. It's hot under this mask. And I'm hungry. Nope. Well, I definitely don't want that to happen. I think it's this nut style here. That's got enough wiggle. Wiggle. Sorry it's taking so long, guys. Keep turning it the wrong way. See, that click is deceptive. I tried everything. I tried a stethoscope. It took me a good like 2 months to be able to figure out how to do this, maybe more. But practice with your lock. And don't break the law, folks. This video is intended for fun only and to show you what to do if you lock yourself out of your own lock. Or if your child does it for you. That one's good. That one's good. Nope. Nope. So I'll go back to this one. I think we're close. Ah! It's a pain in the butt sometimes trying to figure this out. Good? Nope. That middle one's gotta go up or down a digit or two. What I'm doing is I'm feeling every time I turn the dial 1. See, sometimes it does not want to go to where I want it to. I don't know why, but sometimes it stops in the direction like it can only go so far. And what's making this matter worse is I'm getting hungry and I'm getting shaky. Might not be good that I get so shaky when I'm hungry. I think it's normal, seeing that I'm wearing a mask and it's hot in here. And yeah, that's Tank Atlantis behind me. Sorry there hasn't been many updates with it lately. It's been crazy around these parts. Getting close, I can feel it. And I promise you guys, even if I could see, it wouldn't do me no good to look at this, because I don't know what the combo is. It's gotta be this last dial here. Yeah, what you do, you're just practicing. You keep on turning it till you think it's right, and then you just try the next one. Oh man. It's good if you also have like a way to apply pressure to these, like maybe a shoelace or a rubber band. But like I said, if you can actually see what you're doing instead of just feeling it, that's where the money's at. Yeah, I think it's this first one now is where we're at. Alright, so. Haha! And that's how it's done. Does that combination look familiar? Oh, or as they say in the magic world, is that your combination? Alright, so Turns out it was 5550. Yeah, definitely would not have been able to guess that. These locks are good, but they're also flawed. So if you have anything really important to lock up, think twice about using these locks. It's right on YouTube. That's where I learned how to do it. Anyone can learn how to do it, including you. So they're not the most secure. But until next time, guys, thanks for watching. I know it took a little while. Hopefully less than 20 minutes. But either way, however long it took, I appreciate you guys watching. And have a great day.